Wait, where is it at? Where? Oh.
Wait, no.
Come on, Pretty. Pretty.
You won't get wet or jumping. Tell me you're ready.
Stop
Ready. I'm ready. I already got it on.
Pretty.
Jump.
Come here.
Jump. Jump. Good boy. Jump.
What?
Jump.
Yay!
Jump.
Pretty.
Jump. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Jump. Good boy. Jump. Jump. Okay. See it. See it. See it.
Wedo.
Pretty. See it.
Pretty.
Wedo,
Right
see
there.
it. Wedo, see it. See it.
Pretty's right there.
See it.
And Wedo.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Wedo. It's a good girl, Pretty. It's a pretty girl. It's a pretty girl. It's a pretty.
Wedo.
It's a pretty.
Wedo.
He's jealous.
It's a pretty girl.
Wedo. Nah.
Don't pick him up. Don't pick him up where you want to pick him up.
Don't look me pretty in the mirror. Look at my mouth. My mouth.
Okay, I just want y'all to see him. Don't call his names,
I like this.
Might not go.
Watch it. Pretty will. Pretty.
No,
Pretty.
still pretty.
That's him. That's him.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, gee.
He be jumping. He be jumping, brother. Good boy.
I zoomed in. Gee, I zoomed in so I could see him.
They be playing.
She jealous. She don't want nobody to pick him up. Pretty. Come here.
Did Mama see him?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She just laughing.
Oh, he be jumping, huh?
Come on, Pretty.
Okay, I'm finna go.
Oh, bye, Pretty.
Pretty.
Bye,
Wedo.
Pretty.
Down from the bottom, yeah.
Okay, bye, Pretty.
Bye. You got gas? What's that smell?
Oh no! Hey! It's dogs, it ain't me.
Legless dog named Paula. Dude, what is this shit?
That's why they say, man, love you, man. That's what they was way hang around. They was doing to every shit.
That's Pretty, Natty.
Okay?
On video, but I cannot see.
Right when you said they was
I'm
coming.
done giving you a pass because you think you're an artist.
Video.
Yeah, but I cannot see.
Like this, man. No, I'm not with this. That is.
Promise. So you got a chain.
You gotta hold it down like this, the bottom.
Yeah.
You gotta hold it like
No, you don't. I don't believe it.
Kira, Pretty. Pretty. Oh, which one is it? Oh, she's right there.
Yeah, she's right
I
there.
Dude, you gotta
What
get to
else?
know him. You don't know him.
Prices at a lot. Really?
Come here. Pretty.
Hey. You okay?
What else? Just jump.
Alright, just sit here.
Weddle Jordan.
On a scale from 1 to 10. How bad was
I tell you how to pick up. You go pick up.
I'll be going with
Hand at the bottom.
Come put it at the light.
There you go. That's how you pick up, because you're a big one, though. You gotta support her body. Or you'll hurt her.
Ooh.
Or you'll hurt her.
Let's see.
Okay, come on out of there. Come on. Say it one time. Turn the light off. Tell them bye.
Bye.